Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you why is your iPhone speaker not working during calls. So first of all, maybe the volume is too low. I know it's an obvious thing, but sometimes people forget about it, that even if your volume is turned all the way up, if you're not on a call, if you join a call, then it will turn to the volume that was set the last time you were on a call, because a call volume is a different volume than the media volume. And yeah, you'll see it. I'm gonna make a call pretty quickly. Hold on a second. Okay, now I'm on a call. I'm gonna just mute that. Okay, and now you can see if I turn the volume, let's say, yeah, I can turn it to whatever. Then this volume is here displayed with this phone icon, and if I leave the call, then it goes back to my standard volume. So try adjusting the volume during call. Now maybe during call you accidentally muted the call, like you or your caller. So during the call, I'm gonna try making a call again. There is this mute button. If you or that person you're speaking to have muted that, then the other person won't hear it because it's the microphone mute switch. Then also there's this speaker, and the speaker is actually a button that, if you have a Bluetooth device connected, then it will give you several options. Your phone's loudspeaker, the quiet speaker, which is this one at the top, or a Bluetooth device. And maybe that Bluetooth device is playing sound and you just don't know about it, so it's worth just sliding down from the right top part of the screen, going to this menu and disabling Bluetooth, and that may help you. Now the other thing here is that maybe there's a software glitch, so try ending the call, then restarting the iPhone by pressing and holding on power and either of the volume buttons, then slide to power it off. After that, wait for 30 seconds and press and hold on the power button to turn it on again. Also, you may need to update your iOS by going to settings, then general, then software update, and if there's any update available, like in my case there is one, I need to update it. And also there may be blocked or dirty speakers, so make sure to just clean it with a soft brush or some compressed air, here as well as on the bottom, and that will help. I hope that the video was helpful. If it still didn't help, then maybe your phone was dropped, it had water damage, or the speaker module is failing, and that unfortunately requires professional help from an authorized service, so you also may need to go there. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.